Imagine for a moment a place not unlike Earth, light years away, discovered by the eyes in the sky. Can you fathom the excitement this brings? Today, we delve into a groundbreaking revelation by the James Webb Space Telescope, the discovery of a new Earth-like exoplanet. This extraordinary find has sparked a flurry of intrigue and curiosity, not just among scientists, but also every space enthusiast. Join us on this journey through time and space as we unravel the story of this extraordinary discovery. To understand the magnitude of this discovery, we must first take a step back to October 31st, 2021, the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, was launched into the cosmos on a mission of epic proportions. Its goal? To peer back into the early universe, study the formation of stars and galaxies, and explore the mysteries of our own solar system. But beyond these grand objectives, JWST was designed with a unique capability in mind: the detection and study of exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system. This state-of-the-art telescope, a collaborative effort between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency, was 25 years in the making. It was equipped with a suite of scientific instruments and a giant, gold-coated mirror, spanning 6.5 meters in diameter, enabling it to collect more light and observe the universe in unprecedented detail. But what makes JWST so special in our quest for discovering new planets? Well, it's all about its infrared capabilities. You see, while our eyes can only perceive visible light, JWST can detect infrared light, which is emitted or reflected by objects in space that are too cold or too distant to be observed in visible wavelengths. This ability allows JWST to peer through the dusty veils of distant galaxies, and more importantly for our story, to detect the faint signals of exoplanets. The launch of JWST marked a new era in space exploration. As it soared into the cosmos, it carried with it the hopes and dreams of scientists and space enthusiasts around the world. It was not simply a marvel of engineering and science, but a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity to explore the universe. The significance of JWST in our quest for new planets cannot be overstated. It has the potential to answer some of our most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Are there other Earth-like planets out there? And if so, could they support life? With its successful launch, JWST was set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. As JWST soared through the cosmos, it began its ambitious search for exoplanets. Imagine our James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human ingenuity racing through the vastness of space on a mission of discovery. Its prime objective? To find and study exoplanets, those celestial bodies that orbit stars outside our own solar system. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does JWST seek out these distant worlds? The answer lies in a beautifully simple yet ingenious method known as the transit method. Picture a star, bright and burning in the cosmic void. As a planet passes or transits in front of that star from our perspective, the star's brightness dips ever so slightly. It's akin to noticing a tiny bird flutter across the face of the sun. This minuscule change in brightness is what JWST is tuned to detect. But it's not as easy as it sounds. To catch this fleeting shadow, JWST employs a suite of high-precision instruments. These instruments, like the near-infrared spectrograph, are capable of splitting the starlight into a rainbow spectrum. This allows scientists to decipher the chemical signatures embedded in the light. When a planet transits its star, the starlight filters through the planet's atmosphere, carrying with it the unique fingerprint of the planet's composition. And there's more. The transit method doesn't just help us find exoplanets, it also gives us clues about their size and orbit. By measuring the depth of the brightness dip, we can estimate the size of the transiting planet. Similarly, the frequency of the dips gives us a good idea of the planet's orbital period. In essence, JWST is like a cosmic detective using the transit method as its trusty magnifying glass, scrutinizing the flickering stars for signs of planetary companions. With its cutting-edge technology, JWST was ready to uncover the secrets of the universe. So, the stage was set. Our detective was on the case, peering into the cosmic depths, ready to uncover the hidden realms of exoplanets. The search had begun, and who knew what fascinating discoveries awaited us in the endless starlit expanse. And then it happened. The moment we had all been waiting for, JWST discovered an Earth-like exoplanet. In the vast cosmos, a new world was found, a world reminiscent of our own. It was a discovery that echoed across the universe, sending ripples of excitement through the scientific community. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled vision, had found an exoplanet strikingly similar to Earth. This newly discovered celestial body, orbiting a star not unlike our Sun, was found to be roughly the same size as Earth. The similarities didn't end there. It was located within the habitable zone of its star, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone. Just like Goldilocks and her porridge, this zone is not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life as we know it to potentially exist. The distance of this exoplanet from its star is crucial. It's close enough to receive warmth and light, yet far enough to avoid being scorched into a barren wasteland. This delicate balance is what makes the Goldilocks zone so special, and why finding an exoplanet within this zone causes such a stir. The potential for this exoplanet to support life is profound. Of course, it's not as simple as packing our bags and setting off for a new life in the stars. There's plenty more research to be done, a myriad of questions to be answered. Could there be water? What is the atmosphere made of? Could there be, somewhere on that distant world, the building blocks of life? This discovery is more than just a new dot on a star map. It's a beacon of possibility, a glimmer of understanding in our quest to answer one of the most fundamental questions. Are we alone in the universe? The discovery of this Earth-like exoplanet is a testament to the power of human curiosity, our unyielding desire to explore and understand the cosmos. It's a testament to the capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope and the tireless efforts of the scientists who operate it. This was a momentous discovery, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of exploration. You might be wondering why all the fuss about this exoplanet. Isn't it just another planet? Well, the answer is far from simple. This discovery is not about finding just another celestial body in the vast expanse of the universe. It's about finding an exoplanet that closely resembles Earth in ways that matter. And that's where the real excitement begins. This Earth-like exoplanet, discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope, has the potential to reshape our understanding of life beyond our own world. It offers a glimmer of hope, a tantalizing possibility that we are not alone in this vast cosmos. Imagine for a moment a planet that has the right conditions to sustain life. A planet with the perfect balance of atmospheric pressure, temperature, and the presence of water. A planet where life, as we know it, could potentially exist. This is what we mean when we talk about an Earth-like exoplanet. The discovery of such a planet opens up the possibility of life beyond Earth. It gives us a new perspective, a new lens through which to view our place in the universe. If life can exist on this newly discovered exoplanet, it could mean that life is not as rare as we once thought. It could mean that life in some form or another is a common occurrence in the cosmos. But the significance of this discovery doesn't stop there. It also has the potential to address one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? The prospect of finding life on another planet, even if it's microbial, would answer that question with a resounding no. And let's not forget the implications for our future as a species. As Earth's resources dwindle and our population continues to grow, the need to find a new home becomes increasingly critical. This newly discovered exoplanet could be a potential candidate for future human colonization. This discovery isn't just about finding a new planet, it's about the possibility of finding a new home, a new beginning. As we celebrate this discovery, we must also look forward to what lies ahead in the realm of exoplanet exploration. This new Earth-like planet discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope is just a single page in a vast cosmic storybook. And as we turn the page, we're greeted by a future brimming with potential. The next chapter of exoplanet exploration is set to be penned by a suite of upcoming missions and innovative technologies. The European Space Agency's PLATO, short for Planetary Transits and Oscillation of Stars, is one such mission. Set to launch in the late 2020s, PLATO will focus on discovering and studying a large number of Earth-like planets around Sun-like stars in the habitable zone, that sweet spot where conditions could be just right for life to exist. Meanwhile, NASA's LUVOIR, or Large UV/Optical/IR Surveyor, is another proposed mission that could revolutionize our understanding of exoplanets. This space observatory, which could launch in the mid-2030s, will be equipped with a mirror nearly 3 times the size of the Hubble Space Telescope. Imagine the detailed observations it could provide. But it's not just about new missions. Emerging technologies like advanced propulsion systems and AI-driven data analysis are set to play a crucial role in future exoplanet exploration. Propulsion systems, like NASA's Next-C ion thruster, could shorten travel times to distant targets, while AI and machine learning techniques could help us sift through the colossal amounts of data these missions will generate. And let's not forget the potential of astrobiology. As we develop better ways to detect signs of life, like specific atmospheric gases, we inch closer to answering that age-old question: are we alone in the universe? As we continue our journey into the cosmos, who knows what other wonders we might uncover? The future of exoplanet exploration is not just about discovering new worlds, but also about understanding our place in this grand cosmic tapestry. So there you have it, the journey of the James Webb Space Telescope and the discovery that has captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This incredible mission, a testament to human ingenuity and persistence, has provided us with a glimpse into the mysteries of the cosmos, unveiling an Earth-like exoplanet that has stirred the imaginations of many. Let's take a moment to recap the journey we've embarked on today. We began with the intriguing question of life beyond our own blue planet, a question that has piqued human curiosity since time immemorial. We then retraced the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern engineering, and its mission to delve deeper into the universe than ever before. As we moved on, we explored the commencement of the search, the meticulous scanning of the celestial sphere, and the anticipation that gripped the scientific community. This was followed by the momentous discovery of a new exoplanet, an Earth-like world that could potentially harbor life, a finding that has opened up new avenues for research and speculation. We then delved into why this discovery is so significant. This newly discovered exoplanet, resembling our own Earth in so many ways, prompts us to reconsider what we know about the universe and life itself. It broadens our understanding, pushing the boundaries of what we believed to be possible. And finally, we look towards the future of exoplanet exploration. With this new discovery, the field of astrophysics has been galvanized, and the quest for understanding our place in the universe has been reinvigorated. It's an exciting time filled with endless possibilities and countless questions waiting to be answered. Through the lens of the James Webb Space Telescope, we've seen a world that could be much like our own, millions of light years away. This discovery not only expands our knowledge, but also fuels our curiosity. It's a reminder of how much there is to explore, of how every discovery is a stepping stone towards understanding the vast tapestry of the cosmos. As we gaze at the stars, we are reminded of our place in the universe and the endless possibilities that lie in the realm of space exploration. The discovery of this new Earth-like exoplanet is just the beginning. There's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored, and who knows what we might find next. Until next time, keep looking up.